Many years ago when we used to decoke engines, it used to be a case of getting a wire wheel out, giving them a good scrub up and a scraper, and basically mechanically remove everything and hope for the best, which was quite an effort. Now, I've tried to use oven cleaner in the past, which works quite well, but this time I want to try using some ATF and some acetone. So we'll do a 50-50-ish mix. And we'll see how well this works. Give it a stir. That one's quite crusty. Give them a couple of minutes to soak and then we'll see how we get on. Right, they've been soaking for a couple of minutes. The smell ain't too bad. Not worse. Get a bit of stuff on there. See, it's starting to lift it already. So that's a face and one valve done, just as an example. Let's give it a rake. That has made a hell of a difference. That's a hell of a lot easier than scraping it. Let's try that bit. My advice though, open the door. Jesus. The fumes can be a bit evil. So a little bit of a mechanical assistance with the drill later on, and as you can see they've come out really nice and shiny. Valve seats are looking a little bit fucked though. Right, let's give this one a helping hand. Nudge the camera. Trash the garage. Well, as you can see, that's made a hell of a difference. So yes, I'm very happy with that solution. On with the rest of them.
A few minutes later.
I have to say, that works for me. It's took me less than 10 minutes to do 8 valves, which would normally have been at least a half-hour job, if not longer. The only problem is, absolute mess it creates is unbelievable, and the stench to do it with the door open. But yeah, big thumbs up from me, happy with that. Thanks for watching.